Today we are going to create a cute cat. These are the materials required for this project. First, you need a piece of paper and a crayon. Here I am choosing brown color. You can take whatever the color you like. First, draw a circle. Do the best on your circle. If not, you can use some round object to draw a circle. Just here I am darkening the circle with my crayons to make the cat's face. Let's draw cat's ears. That will be as simple as it is. Just a triangle on both the sides. Inside the triangle, you can draw another one small triangle. So our cat's ears are ready. Next, I am taking black color crayon to the other cat's eyes. It will be a little oval shape. You can draw eyelashes if you want, and then eyebrows also you can draw. Here I am drawing the small eyebrows. And nose, that will be another one small triangle, followed by the J and the backward J for our cat's mouth. Next, I will draw the whiskers of the cats. You can draw as many lines you want. Here I am drawing 3 lines on both the sides. Moving on our cat's body, just a little curved line on both the sides. Little curved lines on both the sides and join the edges. Next, we'll do the cat's back leg. Then cat's leg. That is very simple, the upside down C. And I am drawing 2 lines inside that. Next, the favorite part of my cat is the tail. I am going to draw a tail. So tail is very simple. Just a curved line, go upside, little curve and come down. Go up, curve and come down. That's our cat's tail. And I'm drawing the cat's hand. That is side. I'm drawing it in the sides of the body of the cat. So that also will be as C and backside C. And 2 lines. Our cat is almost ready. And I was thinking about drawing little details in the cat's tail. Just put some V's on the cat tail. That look good. Okay, I like my cat. Let's paint the cat now. I decided to paint my cat with like little orangish yellow color. So I'm like mixing orange and yellow in my cat's face and body. So I had a little drops of water in orange and start painting the face of the cat. So I'm mixing orange and yellow color here. Our cat's face is done. Done the painting. Moving on to body of the cat. Let me start with orange and yellow. Orange and yellow. For the details in the tail, I'm using black color. Hands with orange color and legs with yellow color. So I'm drawing my cat's leg, like painting my cat's leg with yellow color, bright yellow color. Backside legs also I'm using the same color, using knowledge. What color I used for legs, right? The same color I am using for the backside legs and the ears. If you feel the watercolor you have more water on the paper, you can use a tissue paper to absorb the excess water from our drawing. For the tail, again I'm using the yellowish, so yellow and black, so it will be so good to look. Okay, leave our cat for little time to dry. Let's draw the backside of the leg of cat. So here I am using the combination of yellow and green. We almost done with the painting. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.